What's the meaning of about turn? About turn. About turn. About turn. About turn. About turn. An about turn is a complete reversal of direction. It can be used to describe a change of opinion, attitude, or behavior. When someone does an about turn, they are essentially saying that they were wrong before and are now right. This can be a difficult thing to do, as it can make you look foolish or indecisive. However, it can also be a sign of strength and maturity, as it shows that you are willing to admit when you are wrong and change your mind. The result of an about turn can be positive or negative. On the one hand, it can lead to a more accurate understanding of the situation and a better course of action. On the other hand, it can be seen as a sign of weakness or indecisiveness. Ultimately, the result of an about turn depends on the circumstances and the people involved. Here are some examples of about turns. A politician who changes their stance on a controversial issue. A company that changes its marketing strategy after realizing that it is not effective. A person who changes their career path after realizing that they are not happy with their current job. In each of these cases, the person or organization has made a complete reversal of direction. This can be a difficult thing to do, but it can also be a sign of strength and maturity.